Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand. This refrigerator, it is up and down. That means freezer and refrigerator both sides foods are getting freeze. Because of that, today I'm going to repair this refrigerator. So suppose we have to check what is the exact problem. Now I will show you. Here, this is the temperature regulator, the freezer. It is already they kept okay. It is no issue. That one they kept in between 4 and 5. Here you can see refrigerator here downside. It's too much freeze. That means it is abnormally actually abnormal cool. Now you can see here this one, it is already forming ice. Also now I want to I found the problem actually. That's mean here this is the refrigerator temperature controller. It is malfunction actually. You can see while pressing it should we are not able to change. That's mean it is totally is defect. The everybody it is in our field who are working in our field, they know what is the problem exactly. The now the two reasons, it is sometime it is not working because of the humidity going the temperature control area at the same time it's getting oxide. Otherwise this one main issue, control assemble after getting damage defect control assemble, we are not able to refrigerator selector it's not working. We are not able to change. Now I'm going to open freezer side. Here two screws, we have to remove these two screws. After that it will we have to release the lock. We have to pull out. It is careful, we have to do this job here like that. Here lock, you can see how I opening. It will come like that. Yes, here too much ice actually, you can see here it's everywhere. That means it's not controlling, it is under control. Cooling fan also got stuck because of the ice. Now I have to remove. Here is locks are there. All the locks we have to remove, release. After that, that hour will come. It is actually easy. We have to use some plier. At the same time, while we are pulling, at the same time we can release the lock. It's a little bit hard actually, but anyway, this is the way how to remove. Now I already removed the cover. Now you can see evaporator side. You can see here it is too much ice form already. Evaporator coil is too much ice. That means definitely is not work heater, because heater not realizing control assemble defect. This control assemble, especially LG, is coming together. That means thermal fuse and cooling sensor is coming together. Because of that, we are telling control assemble. We have to replace, while we are replacing, we have to replace the same control assemble original parts from the company. Now we have to release this lock. After that, we can take it out. Fan with the cover. Now I'm going to release. This is the control assemble. You can see here. We have to cut it, cable tie. Now you can see This is actually, I'm suspecting this is not the original parts. It's somebody before replace might, yeah, it is not the original parts look like according to my experience. Yes, this is the original part. ACM, this one original parts from the company. This one you can see, this is the original. Actually, it is separately. It's coming sensor and thermal fuse. But earlier somebody else it is replaced. They couldn't do that. That's why customer called to us. Now I'm going to use some warm water to release. It is not the hard ice actually. Yes, we can remove with the warm water. After that, it's all will melt quickly. Yeah, you can see now it is melting all. After replacing control assemble, if we can adjust the temperature. That's mean downside refrigerator temperature controller working mean it is definitely problem with the control assemble only. Anyway, now I'm going to replace the original one, original part. We will check after replacing whether it's temperature controller it's working or not. Now I already fix control assemble. This one original parts will come here. It is with the lock. You can see. Now thermal fuse we can hang here. We have to keep it this area only. Now it's okay. Now we will check. Yes, my dear. You can see now it is changing. We can increase and decrease. That is the problem. Control with the control assemble only. Now we can resolve the problem. Now we have to close as same before. On this one we have to use some cable tie. Now while we are going to fix the covers, we have to fix first this one together. If one by one while you are going to fix, it is not fixing properly. Because of that, careful, we have to fix this both parts together. Operator cover and front cover both together we have to fix properly. After that, it's very easy to fix. Otherwise it's very difficult because that locks, all the locks is not fixing properly. Because of that, these two parts we have to fix together. After that only we can fix. Now it is okay. Now give the connector here, the fan motor operator, otherwise freezer fan motor connector is fixed properly. Actually, if it is not locking properly, fan will not work. Now it's okay. Now we can fix. Here you can see it is locking properly. If it is you're fixing one by one, is not looking like that. Because of that, my advice, you have to fix together. Now we can fix two nuts also here lock. Now we can fix here ice maker. Now almost our job already completed. Now freezer controller is I kept already in between 4 and 5. It's okay. Downside also we have to keep medium, normal. It's like that. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.